Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, it's very clear to see that the tides have turned. The inflow of cash into majority of the altcoins has increased drastically, especially after Bitcoin was able to reclaim 98,000 for a short period of time. There was a lot of sentiments which were starting to flip into the green, and that can also be seen by how much trading volume is starting to increase. Another way to see that the altcoins are doing incredibly well is the dominance of Bitcoin is slowly starting to come down. About 0.3% have come down in the last 24 hours, so definitely more money is flowing into the altcoin market and people are expecting a better result, especially from the Memecoin market. And you can also see Tron is doing incredibly well. There are some incredible news coming out as well, as OpenAI CEO Sam responds to Elon Musk's non-profit buyout offer. No thank you, but we will buy Twitter for 10 billion if you want it. Now Elon did talk about buying OpenAI, and that's the reason why all of this is going off. Dogecoin price to surge to $3.69. This chart pattern suggests so. A new era for stablecoins. Ethereum and Tron network activity records 4.5 billion spike in the last 7 days, and Japan's FSA weighs classifying crypto as securities. This could be huge, but before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, and at the same time, Dogecoin, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button for the latest and the greatest news first. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just up the YouTube algorithm, push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. They decide to buy into it. It starts spiking up. All of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I just want to show you guys the Dogecoin price action, because I personally feel like the rate at which Dogecoin price action is moving, it's definitely got a lot of room to grow. And let me tell you one more thing. Usually, if you guys have been around for a long period of time, you know that the crypto market usually starts doing better once meme coins actually see an incredible amount of inflow. So right now, Dogecoin is the one that everyone is eyeing. Any sort of new investor that likes to come into the crypto market first likes to invest in meme coins, and the face of meme coins is obviously Dogecoin. So once it sees an incredible amount of inflow, the entire market will start seeing an inflow very quickly. Another thing that is crazy is if you pay attention to how quickly the precious metals are increasing in value, you know that a lot of people are in a panic situation, but the risk related to crypto is much greater for larger audience to actually jump into crypto when trade war and tensions are building up between America and the US. But at the end of the day, once the trade war and all of those uncertainties come to a little bit of a slowdown situation, we are going to be seeing an explosive amount of money flowing through the crypto market. If you just look at the way Ethereum and Cardano is doing, Cardano is also doing incredibly well because the ETFs. Now, if we talk about Dogecoin, we do need to make sure that we're able to break the support at, resistance at 29 cents to ensure that the market keeps climbing. Even the open interest for Dogecoin is not showing something super crazy, but if you look at the long to the short ratio, it's still holding very strong, close to 75% to 25%. Bitcoin is doing something similar, just sitting at 28 billion. There is not substantial amount of movement at all in terms of the open interest, but overall, the war between what is happening between Sam and Elon Musk is kind of impressive, because if you guys do not know, right now Elon is under a lot of pressure due to Doge, which is the thing that he's working under Trump, and a lot of people going against that, and they do not, from the government, do not receive, or from the court, do not receive the permission to go ahead and look into the treasury, but Trump is still supporting them, so that can definitely have an interesting take in terms of how well Elon is coping with all of this right now. Now, talking about Dogecoin, well, a prompt trader has suggested that Doge-themed crypto Dogecoin could be set to quadruple its all-time high very soon. Now let me tell you one thing, the chances of it hitting $3.69 seems a little bit far-fetched. Now, just to give you guys perspective, I'm still very optimistic about the price of Dogecoin, but if you ask me, I personally feel like $1 should be the first goal that Dogecoin should be heading towards. After that, it might be able to do better in the future. Now, Let me tell you one thing, as the whole crypto market is struggling in terms of just holding onto its price and consolidating, the amount of people that have started to use stable coins for any sort of payment around the world, it's actually absurd, because the amount of money that can be transferred with such a small amount of fee, and that's being shown by everyone without having to worry about, governments worrying about banking system approving your transaction. This is definitely making it much easier. And Japan weighs classifying crypto as security. So the financial service agency is thinking of treating crypto asset as security. The agency is expected to give a policy direction by June. The FSA may lift its ban on some crypto ETF and even reduce tax rate for crypto. Now, this could be huge, because the amount of money that flows through South Korea and Japan when it comes to crypto, a ban takeaway could make a huge difference. And whales have moved over 60,000 Bitcoin just in the past week. While Bitcoin tends to move against the crowd sentiment right now, sentiment suggests uncertainty. What do you do? Now, just so you know, the way the crypto market is moving, it's actually clear that it's trying to make a decision in terms of what direction it wants to go. But the direction, there is a lot left. That's all I'm going to say. And Ethereum looks ready to rebound as the TD substantial indicator presents a buy signal on the weekly and the daily chart. And when Ethereum makes the move, it's pretty much going to be a green light for majority of the altcoins to go explosive. And Grayscale files for a spot Cardano ETF with NYSE, and that's the reason in the last 24 hours, Cardano is doing extremely well. And Ripple partners with Unicambio to offer cross-border payments between Portugal and Brazil. So Ripple, or XRP, is definitely doing some big things on the back end. They're not just focusing on the crypto price going up, rather they want to also do some sort of bigger things outside of all that. And Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy buys another 7,600 Bitcoin worth $700 million. It's very clear to see that strategy is trying to buy as much as possible, as they expect the crypto or Bitcoin price to do extremely well very soon. Now, Gate.io becomes exclusive crypto partner of Oracle Red Bull Racing. Well, big crypto firms or big crypto exchanges are definitely getting into the bigger hands. And Central African Republic introduces a meme coin amid the rising skepticism. Now, a country releasing a meme coin was a shocking experience for me yesterday, because if you guys do not know, and if you haven't actually looked into this coin, well, there was a lot of things happening with this coin, and let's just say they're just trying to find some sort of way to make profit. But at the end of the day, I'm not going to make any sort of judgment. I'm personally going to be staying away from this, because promoting as a national development is kind of insane. I mean, it's good for the crypto space, but how will that coin turn out would actually affect the reputation of the country quite heavily. That's what I'm going to say. Now, at the end of the day, all the things I'm saying are pretty much my opinion. They are not financial advice, so make sure you guys do your own research before you invest in anything. Other than that, thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.